Hello friends, today I am reading first chapter of 4th standard history, Maharashtra before Shivaji. Open your textbook, page number 1 and read after me. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and poadas in his honor. You garland his pictures and say, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. Who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. In those days, monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasures and enjoyments instead of the welfare of their subjects. But even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rule. Benevolent means generous. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and the Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies. Sworn means cutter of each other. They constantly fought against each other, with the result that the people suffered and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who owned Jagirs. They loved only their Jagirs, not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used to them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. During a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful efforts of establishing Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what these saints did. Thank you.